Tidal flooding. Tidal flooding is a phenomenon that is often felt by coastal communities. Almost all areas from the north coast to Jakarta were flooded. Recently, Semarang was hit by tidal flood with a height of 1.5 meters. Actually, what is meant by tidal flood? Want to know? Keep watching this video because after this, there will be a complete explanation of the tidal flood which is important to understand.
According to the explanation at scholar.anon.eg.id, flooding is defined as the indication of a flood which causes the overflow of water to exceed the water disposal capacity in an area, causing physical, social, and economic loss. Floods are usually caused by high rainy water and the topography of the area in the form of lowland of sunken areas. However, something there are also floods that are triggered due to overflow of surface water and the volume exceed the capacity of the drainage system or river flow. Types of flood are actual very river tidal is one of them. A tidal sea flood of tidal flood is a flood that occurs due to seawater usually that flood across in the area around the coast of the market. Meanwhile, in the journal Juvenile 1, it is stated that tidal flooding is a disaster that occurs when water at the land and cause inundation in the area.
Causes of rock floods. Tidal floods can occur at any time. The causes are also quite diverse. In the journal Juvenile 1, it is explained that this type of flood can be caused by natural factors, such as tides, land subsidence, and other factors. Meanwhile, in repository.ugm.ac.id, several causes of tidal flooding including: first, global warming. Global warming that is getting worse is indeed having many impacts on all aspects of the life of living things. Sea level rise is one of the impacts of global warming, which also affect life on the coast. The increase in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere has also resulted in many pieces of ice at the poles melting. This can lead to sea level rise. This condition have the potential to trigger disasters such as tidal flooding, oppression, groundwater contamination, and others.
Second, land subsidence. Another cause of tidal flooding is land subsidence. It should be understood that land subsidence is a natural event that occurs slowly due to loading. When the rock mass at the top has a higher density than the rock mass at the bottom, the area can experience subsidence. Land subsidence condition can also be caused by overexploitation of groundwater. If land subsidence continues, its area will be low. If the area is close to the coast, there is the potential for tidal flooding. Third, sea wave hit ocean. Waves are the rise and fall of sea waters caused by many things such as wind and coastal topography. This tidal wave is one of the waveforms that can occur due to fluctuations in sea level. This condition is reinforced by the gravitational force of extraterrestrial objects such as the moon and the sun. Please note that tidal waves are long waves whose duration ranges from 12 to 24 hours. At high tide, seawater requires a wider space than the normal condition. This event causes the area around the coast that has low riverlands to be inundated by seawater.
Number 4. Abrasion intensity. Abrasion is a natural process in the form erosion in coastal areas caused by high sea waves. This abrasion process causes the land area in the weather to distress. Therefore, areas with low elevation will usually experience tidal flooding. Number 5. Trigonodemic. When high tide condition occurs, sea weather will inundate the land in the waters because the accommodation space is reduced. The sea weather can enter the canal and can cause rivers in the surrounding area to overflow. When overflow occurs, the water will flow into the drainage through the drainage to return to the sea. However, if the drainage is damaged, it can make it difficult for seawater to flow back into the sea, so the area will be inundated for a long time.
These are some of causes of tidal flooding that need to be watched out for. Some of these causes can be minimized if we keep the environment sustainable.